guitarist.com, and in this video, how to play Jingle Bells James Taylor style. I'm going to start you off with the introductory lick that I played. It's kind of a B9 chord, B minor 9 chord. What I'm doing is putting my first finger across the second fret, playing the B and the A on that one, and then I'm putting these two fingers on the third fret, playing a D and a G. And then what I'm doing is you start with a B, the trick is to practice it really, really slow and not pick up here on the neck of the guitar, because that's really hard. Start on the 5th string, jump to the 2nd, 3rd string, jump back to the 5th real fast, 1st string, 3, 2, and then repeat that pattern 4 times, and then jump right into the intro, which is an E7 chord. First finger, 3rd string, 1st fret. Middle finger goes over and gets the 5th string on the 2nd fret. There's a lick I like to throw in there. We're kind of imitating the whole band. I'm pretty sure the bass does this. Just put your pinky down on the 5th string, 4th fret, walking your way up to that 7th. You don't even have to pick it distinctly, just throw the finger down. Then we're going to walk up to the A7. I'm going to go, and then A7. So it's on the E string, open, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, A chord, A7 chord, sorry. It is to ride. And then the lovely F sharp 7 chord. First finger goes all the way across. Make sure you get a good solid F sharp on that 6th string. Middle finger then goes on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. The ring finger goes on the 5th string, 4th fret. One horse open sleigh. B7, first finger stays where it was all the way across. You root those on the 5th string. Ring finger, middle finger hangs. Don't flip off the audience. Ring finger goes on the 4th string, 4th fret. Pinky goes on the 2nd string, 4th fret. And then you repeat it. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride. One horse, omitting the F sharp 7 on the 2nd one. Open sleigh. Get to the verse. It's basically just a blues progression, except all in 7ths. Dashing through the snow. Then you go to A7, one horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, B7, laughing all the way. So it's the same chords, you just change them in sort of a 12-bar blues pattern. So let's look at the rhythm. Now, for the verse, I like to play sort of a stop time thing. The steady beat there is important all the time, a slight shuffle to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I'm doing is, I'm muting with these two fingers. Try not to ring the E string. Muting with these two fingers lets me get the little scratch sound in there. And accent the next upbeat. And 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4. Now the important thing with this song is to keep it fun and loose and as bluesy as you possibly can. It's a completely different take on the Jingle Bells tune, and that's why I'm showing it to you this Christmas. Don't forget to check the links below for the chord chart for this song, as well as other Christmas tunes that you might enjoy. This is Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and you have just been shown how to play Jingle Bells in the style of James Taylor. Thank you for watching. Jingle bells,